So today I'm going to be checking out Typhur Dome air fryer. Air fryers everywhere these days, but this one, as you can tell, is a lot more interesting. It's got a huge basket, so you can cook enough for your friends and for your family, and the way the air circulates, it cooks a lot faster and cooks more evenly than any other air fryer. I picked a recipe for chicken wings from the Typhur app, and it gives you a step-by-step instructions, and let's give it a go. Right, for the seasoning, we're gonna have salt, pepper, garlic powder, baking powder, and smoked paprika. Make sure the wings are dry, then add the seasoning. Now we're going to put the wings in. And we're off. And they're done, and let's try one. Bloody hell. And so easy to make, so crispy, so juicy, bloody amazing.